Jainism, which will take half a class, and then basics of Buddhism, which will again take half a class. Right? Right? Jainism is a Gnostic sect. Jainism is a Gnostic sect which rejects the authority of Ved. Authority of Ved. Full stop. Universe has, just below, universe has no creator. भाई गले में पानी चला गया. Universe has no creator or manager, मतलब who manage it, or manager, but universe is run by a universal law. Is run by a universal law. Full stop. 24 Tirthankars in every cycle of time appears to make us aware of these laws. Make us aware of these laws. Put a bracket. They neither make laws, nor could change them. Bracket close, full stop. Gods exist in Jainism, comma, below Tirthankars. So just the basic introduction. Topmost is Tirthankar. Even they have not created the universe. Universe has no creator. But you ask me, those many religions say God created universe. Ask those religions who created God. So they are silent on it. So Jainism says if God can come on its own, universe also can come on its own. Universe has no creator, no destroyer. There is no one waiting and sitting. You have done this wrong, so let's beat you. You will go to heaven, hell. All this is nothing. Universe is made by a universal law, and on that law, universe is run. For example, if a child is not aware that fire will burn it, and put the hand in fire, the child will burn. Likewise, religion also has some laws. Even if a child is ignorant, doesn't mean it will not affect. Generally, people say it is a small child not aware, he has thrown mud on God, but God will understand. So God understand everything. So likewise, there is a universal law. Now let's start the topic. So 24 Tirthankar. Abhi time cycle later. I'll tell you what is time cycle. It moves like a snake. In Hinduism, time moves like a cycle. Jainism, it moves like a snake. 24 Tirthankars. Only 3 remember. First was Rishabhdev. Sons of Rishabhdev. Bahubali or Gomateshwar. Daughter of another son is Bharat. And according to Jainism, India got its name Bharat on Bharat, son of Rishabhdev. And daughter, whom he taught writing, which is the first script in India. And he is the one who taught his daughter. Name of daughter was Brahmi. That's why according to Jainism, name of his script is Brahmi. So Rishabhdev came. Just telling you, Tirthankar number 3 to 9 are set in urban setting, live in cities. Lived in cities. And 24th Tirthankar came, so second urbanization began. It means, according to Jainism now, what urbanization this could have been? Indus Valley civilization. Don't write it. I am just telling you, 3 to 9 are lived in cities. So in bracket write, some modern scholars propose they lived during Indus Valley civilization. Some modern scholars propose that they lived in Indus Valley civilization. Twenty-third Tirthankar, Parshvanath. Right, he lived approx 250 years. He lived approx 250 years before Mahavir. And his followers wore white clothes. in bracket write there are historical indications